Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, magkakaroon tayo ng another makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. Sobrang dali lang nito and super affordable because halos lahat ng products na ginamit ko dito is less than 200 pesos. So very student-friendly siya. But before I begin, I just want to say na magkakaroon ulit ako ng pag-giveaway and this time magpapag-giveaway ako ng ring light. Naisip kong magpa-giveaway ng ring light kasi alam ko na maraming aspiring YouTubers out there and alam naman natin na if you want to be a YouTuber, kailangan meron kang maayos na camera and also nakakatulong din ang ring light para mas gumanda yung quality ng videos nyo. Personally sa akin, nahirapan akong makabili ng ring light. Siguro twice akong bumili sa Shopee ng ring light and then nag-wait ako for 2 weeks pero never dumating. Laging kinakancel ni seller. Ewan ko kung out of stock ba siya or what. Siguro kasi dumadami na rin tayong gustong maging YouTuber. So, siguro kaya lagi siyang out of stock. Until I found a supplier na nagbebenta ng good quality ring light. And then naisip ko, why not give my subscribers a ring light as well? And makatulong na rin sa inyo sa dream nyo na maging YouTuber din. Mag-insert na lang ako ng short video clip at the end of the video kung ano yung itsura ng ring light na ipamimigay ko. I will say the mechanics at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start with the makeup tutorial. So first things first, we're gonna put moisturizer and the moisturizer that I'm using is from Fresh. This is the 98 Tomato Glass Skin Water Drop Cream. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is meron na din siyang SPF 30, so hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng sunscreen kasi ito na rin yung sunscreen nyo. Also, what I like about this cream is hindi siya heavy kapag nilagay mo siya sa mukha mo. So, perfect talaga siya underneath your makeup. Kasi ayoko talaga yung mga moisturizer na mabigat sa feeling. Lalo na ako, very oily yung skin ko. Tapos, maglalagay ka pa ng cream, diba? So, super okay to kasi sobrang gaan lang niya sa skin. Cream siya, pero kapag nilagay ko siya sa skin ko, nade-dissolve siya. Nagiging parang liquid form. For the foundation, I'm using this Squad Cosmetics You Can Face It Foundation. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is medium to full coverage siya. And for the price, it's very affordable. Kasi usually, yung mga murang foundation, it's light to medium coverage lang. Pero this one is medium to full coverage. For the concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Next, we're gonna set everything. I'm using this You Can Face It Press Powder by Squad Cosmetics as well in the shade Warm Light. And this is only 90 pesos. So, sobrang perfect for students na naghahanap ng affordable yet quality na makeup. Idadab ko lang yung brush. Kasi if you do a sweeping motion, mamumove mo yung foundation. So, better na dab-dab lang yung brush. Wala akong multo. For the brows, I'm using this Focalure Superline Eyebrow Pencil. And ang nagustuhan ko dito is may kasama siyang refill. Natuwa lang ako kasi alam naman natin yung mga retractable eyebrow pencil, sobrang bilis maubos. And nung nakita ko may refill siya, sobrang sulit. Very blendable siya. Mabilis siyang i-blend sa eyebrows. Next is eyeshadow, and I'm using this Berry Squad eyeshadow palette. Sobrang impressed ako sa mga eyeshadow palettes ng Squad Cosmetics kasi for only 199 pesos, you get this 9 shades and sobrang quality talaga ng mga eyeshadows niya. Especially yung shimmer shadows niya. Sobrang panalo. So, hindi mo kailangan idiin yung brush mo or yung kamay mo para lang ma-pick up yung color. Konting dab mo lang sa eyeshadow and kumakapit na siya sa kamay mo or sa brush mo. I'm using this color from the palette and i-apply natin siya sa ating crease using a fluffy brush. Very easy lang tong eyeshadow na gagawin natin. So next, I'm gonna use this shimmer shade and i-apply lang natin siya sa buong eyelids natin. So I'm just gonna use my fingers kasi mas madaling i-apply. Mas nakokontrol ko kapag fingers yung gamit ko. Sobrang pigmented niya. Grabe yung shimmer. Ibe-blend natin yung peach color sa shimmer shade. I'm getting this peach color again and i-apply ko ulit siya sa crease kasi medyo nawala while we were blending it. I-apply ko rin yung peach color sa lower lash line natin using a denser brush like this. Then, maglalagay din ako ng shimmer shades dun sa inner corner ng mata. Next is eyeliner, and I'm using this Careline Graphic Ink Liner. And sobrang ganda nito. Pumunta ako ng beach wearing this, and hindi siya nag-run. Kahit nabasa siya, hindi siya nag-run. Kasi may mga mascara and eyeliner na kapag nagbasa, parang nagra-run siya sa face mo. Pero ito, naligo na ako, nag-swimming na ako sa beach, pero hindi siya nag-run. Sobrang sulit for the price. Maglalagay lang ako ng line from the center hanggang sa outer corner ng eyes ko. Hindi na ako magmamaskara kasi meron na rin naman akong eyelash extensions. But if you're looking for a good quality mascara, maganda rin yung mascara ng Squad Cosmetics. This is their Uplift Mascara. Next is contour, and I'm using their Contour and Blush Spill the Tea. Halos lahat ng ginamit ko today is from Squad Cosmetics kasi sobrang affordable and sobrang good quality. And hindi rin ako nag-breakout dito sa Squad Cosmetics. So, nagustuhan ko talaga siya. And also, if nagtitipid kayo, maganda bilhin tong contour and blush palette nila. Kasi may contour ka na and blush, and then may highlighter ka pa. So, 3-in-1 palette siya. Then, I'm gonna use this color para sa blush. Sabi nila, maganda daw maglagay ng blush sa taas ng apples ng cheeks kasi mas nakakabata. And onti sa nose, para mukhang nagba-blush tayo. Lastly, lipstick from Squad Cosmetics again. And this is in the shade Vigorous. And finally, their Flower Lip Oil. Isa yata to sa favorite ko from Squad Cosmetics. This and their eyeshadow. Pero all of them are very good quality. So, walang tapon sa Squad Cosmetics. nakalimutan ko mag-highlighter. So, I'm just using the highlighter from this palette. So, here's the final look. Here's the short clip of the ring light na ipapag-giveaway ko. Actually, I'm using the same ring light. Sobrang ganda niya. It's 10 inches pero grabe yung liwanag na nabibigay niya. For the mechanics of this giveaway, first, you have to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media accounts. Facebook page and IG. I will link down below yung mga links ng Facebook page ko and IG. Second, comment down below kung ano yung nagustuhan nyo dito sa video na ito. Dito ko siguro pipiliin kung sino yung mananalo ng ring light. So, make sure to watch the entire video para masagot nyo yung question na yon. And don't forget to put your Facebook name and IG username para mabilis ko kayong mahanap just in case kayo yung manalo. And third, share this video on Facebook and tag 3 of your friends. For this giveaway, there will be 3 winners. Yung isang winner is mananalo ng ring light and the other 2 winners is mananalo ng makeup tools from me, from Tipid. And if you've seen my A Day in My Life vlog, malalaman nyo na Tipid is our business. And most of the products na ipapamigay ko from Tipid are bestsellers namin. For the 2 winners, you're gonna win this beauty blender na merong holder. And this retails for 199 pesos. Next is this eyebrow brush. Sa mga Kilayas Life out there, this is for you. Next is this powder brush, or you can also use this as a blush brush. Sobrang soft ng bristles nito. And lastly, yung ginamit kong beauty headband while I was putting on makeup. Ito yun. Sobrang cute nito. Sobrang soft. I really love this. I use this every time I do my skincare and makeup. And I'm sure you're gonna love this also. Yung ring light pwede rin sa mga TikTokers out there. Alam ko, maraming TikTokers dyan. Good luck sa mga sasali sa giveaway. And I hope na-enjoy nyo tong video ko na to. Sana i-support nyo yung mga susunod ko pang vlogs. I will really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like this video. Stay safe, everyone. And I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!
I just want to say na magkakaroon or you can use this also as a blush.